Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna mix things up a little bit. You're not used to this kind of video from me, but because it's quarantine and we've all developed these amazing skills, mine has definitely been cooking. Most of you would probably not believe me, but it's true. I have found a passion for cooking. And today I'm gonna share with you one of my household faves that I've kind of been eating weekly, is my favorite sweet potato fries. They're super crispy, super healthy, no oil, no deep frying, just baking, and it's easy as that. All right, let's get to the recipe. So as you can see here, I am leaving on the skins because I really thoroughly believe, and the facts are, that most of the nutrients that you possess from these vegetables are found in the skin. So I keep them on. You're more than welcome to take them off. But when you crisp them, which I'm going to show you at a later stage, the skin is vital. So I'm just gonna put it on for 400 to preheat while we cut our sweet potato fries. There we go. So I'm just gonna cut these into sweet potato fries. So bearing in mind they are cooked, so when we put them in the oven, we're just gonna crisp them up. All I'm gonna do is just spray the bottom of my pan, just so they don't stick. You can cut them to your preference. You can make them skinnier, you can make them fatter, you can make them round, which I generally like to do, but today I'm gonna make some fries for you. Now I'm gonna add some rosemary, dried rosemary. If you have fresh, even better. I do, but I just wanna use the dried for today. And of course you can add whatever herb that you have to your fries. So now I'm gonna add some turmeric to my sweet potato fries. Turmeric is an amazing root vegetable that I use daily in my shakes as well as on my sweet potato fries, on all my food. You don't really taste it, it's more about the properties that are so good for you. It's really good for your internal organs or a broken toe, which is my current situation. They recommend that a teaspoon a day of turmeric is your daily dose. I say if it's that good for you, why not more? I love coarse salt. It makes it crispy, and there is nothing wrong with salt. Now I'm gonna place my sweet potato fries into the oven and bake until they're crispy. So, let's go. So after baking for about 10 minutes, I'm now gonna broil the sweet potato fries for that extra crisp and char. Okay, so I'm about to open the oven and show you the goodness. Look at that sizzle, baby. And if you're serving, of course, garnish with a little bit of rosemary. So these are my favorite and famous little sweet potato fries. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, but if you'd like to see more of these and have other suggestions of what you'd like to see, comment below. Like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.